If you're using data in some way to solve a problem, or you're building a model from data, or your algorithm relies on data, I think that falls under the umbrella of data science.
There's a very general definition, I think, that's appropriate, the synthesis of experimental, observational, and simulation data to help answer questions that any of the one alone can't answer.
We actually can first acquire and store large amount of diverse kinds of data, so qualitative images, numbers, survey and other kind of forced quantitative measures. Then we integrate all of these different data sets and then come up with some kind of hypothesis generation machine by analyzing it.
Data science really is the science of generating useful information from data sets.
We take data and we try to answer questions.
Data science shows up everywhere. The thing that people are probably most familiar with is the mainstream machine learning of things like your phone or your Netflix account recommending things to you.
So when we think about quantifying, when we think about logic, when we think about interpreting, modeling, a lot of the tools that we use are mathematically based. So mathematics is a language for us to use to talk about quantifying something, to describe something. So we can't do data science without mathematics.
The science of how we understand large amounts of data. Data comes in all types of forms, pictures, videos.
Numbers, it could be text.
Have you touched your cell phone today?
You're buying something, there's a recommender system under the hood, and that's using data to help you make your life easier.
Data science is this field that grew up both out of math, out of stats, out of computer science, and out of the increasing presence of data on the world around us.
Computational advances, especially in parallel computing and processing, will continue to grow, and that will enable us to ask questions we couldn't ask before.
We can bring new data-driven solutions to either climate change or environmental problems or challenges, financial markets, social work fields. So we can use data science really to bring new solutions to a variety of problems, which can be actually super fun to explore and do. I think about data science as a way to take data, to take information with an end goal in mind, extract something useful.